Hey mathematicians, today we will discuss how to decide if a number is even or odd. I will determine whether a number is even or odd and explain why. There it goes. Sorry about that. All right, so even and odd, if the number is even, everyone has a partner. To tell if a number is even or odd, you're going to look in the ones place. If the number in the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then it is an even number. Like I said, everyone has a partner. So you can see the numbers here. I can circle each of those, and each one is put into groups of 2. If the number in the ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, that means not everyone has a partner, and it is an odd number. So you can see the 1 dot is by itself. There's no partner for it. So it is an odd number. 3, 2 of them can pair up, but there's still one left by itself. So it is also an odd partner. It's an odd number, okay? So that's how you can tell if a number is even or odd. Your stepping stones pages for today are in Seesaw. The activity looks like this, stepping stones 1.9. And it says, look at the chart below. Color the even numbers red and look at the number mats to help, okay? The number mats are in your stepping stones book if you actually want to look and see. But I'm going to change my marker color to red. And I'm going to go even numbers. I know that 2 is an even number. Ooh, I may even want to use like the highlighter so you can really see it. Make it red. 2 is an even number. I know 3 is odd, 4 is an even number, 5 is odd, 6 is an even number, and I'm going to keep going and doing it all the way through 30, okay? And then it says, which one of these statements is true? You only say even numbers if you start at 0 and count by 2s. An even number has the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. Okay, or if you show an even number in groups of 2, there's always one part without a partner. So think about that. Which one is true? And then you have your second page where you're coloring the odd numbers blue. So now I'm going to change my marker color to blue. And I know 1 is an odd number and 3 is an odd number. And I'm going to practice doing that all the way down. If I'm not sure if a number is even or odd, like let's say I get to the number 15 and I just don't know, I can draw 15 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then I'm going to circle those in partners. In groups of 2. Oh, there's 1 left without a partner. So it is an odd number, okay? That's a way you can solve it if you're just not sure. And then on the last page, you're writing what next to even numbers would come next. So it's like skip counting. So I have 10, 11, 12 would be next. 13, 14 would be next. You're skip counting by even numbers and odd numbers. And then you'll hit the green check when you are done.